Hey guys, welcome back inside. John of Fix a Fence. Last time I came in here, I read some poems out of my books that I wrote. And I'm sure you guys didn't know that I wrote. And the Ticket In one here and the Ticket In two. Wrote these books quite a while back. And they were part of a ministry, as I told you before. So anyway, I'm introducing the books, and I'd like to, read another couple of poems to you. So this one here is Take His Hand. Okay, it's in the first one here, number 39. Get my glasses on. Goes like this. The table's been set, a seal's been broken. As a prophecy's been said, his word has been spoken. It's not a tribal myth. I'll take his hand. He'll take me home. His love rains down from heaven, out through a window that he has opened. With a mighty shout, his hand reaches out. I hear an angel say, walk this way, be bold, and do what you're told. It's not a tribal myth. He'll take your hand. He'll take you home. So I took his hand, and I won't let go. He put me on a path to follow him home. He's given me his life to light the way. He's alive, well, and coming again someday. It's not a tribal myth. I'll take his hand, and he'll take me home. Anyway, that's Take His Hand. That was a pretty cool poem there. I've got the links below there. If you want to go to Barnes & Noble or Amazon and pick up the book for yourself, hey, be greatly appreciated. Check this one out. Here's Sacred, number 47 in this one here. Yeah. A seed of faith is all it takes, and the rest will be history. Hold on tight to what you believe. Make the best of yourself to be. Sacred, blameless, and true. The example has been set in place, a loving memory to embrace. Hold on tight to what you see. Make the best of yourself to be. Sacred, righteous, and true. Don't give up and don't give in to stay on a path that's free from sin. Beside the still waters throughout the promised land, stay on the path that's carved from God's hand. Sacred. Anyway, again, out of the Ticket In, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hey, now's the time to do it. And if you have, I thank you. Appreciate it. This is what keeps me going. And like I said, I'm just trying to bring more fresh content to the channel here, man. So, yeah, that'd be great. Subscribe, Here's another one here. This is the last one here. And we'll shut the video down for the next one. This is in Ticket In 2, and maybe the next one I'll read some more poems or whatever. But this is the way it's going. Bleed Me Out. Bleed Me Out. Says, scriptures come to mind just in a nick of time. Demons flee and run by the spirit of the chosen one. And the day has just begun. Praises sing from my heart. Rise at dawn into the night, keeping demons on their flight by the spirit of the chosen one. And the night is still to come. Bleed me out. Let me sing. Let his praises ring. The demons flee when I sing, and let his praise ring. The time rolls on into the night. I say a prayer and turn on the light inside. Nowhere the demons to hide with the spirit of the chosen one. A new day will arrive. Scriptures will come alive in the time always on my heart and in my mind. Demons seem to just pass me by with the spirit of the chosen one. Another day has begun. Bleed me out, let me sing, let his praises ring. The demons flee when I sing, and let his praises ring. Bleed me out. Anyway, yeah, there you go. That's the Ticket In 2. So, the Ticket In 1 and the Ticket In 2. And if you haven't gotten your copy, links below. Check it out. All right, guys, till the next one. Keep smiling and have a great day.